So me I drive and I see one sweet girl
Turn left
on the
onto John
road.
Redcam Road.
Yeah, my wife look good, but that girl is sweet. I saw my stuff. Wow, I saw my stuff with.
Stuff from the cups.
I saw my stuff with.
Stuff from the cups.
Yeah.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
It's been a long time without you, my friends. But I tell you all about it when we see you again. Oh, I saw my stuff. Wow, I saw my stuff with.
Stuff from the cups.
I saw my stuff with.
Stuff from the cups.
Yeah, tenants in the building. Coupling,
It's raining.
cats and dogs.
And your cousin.
What's poppin'? We're just checking it. Look at that rain finish. It's like right there, so it's just there's somebody who lives right there who is receiving a blessing from the Lord right now. And you know, the closer we get to Kingston, it's getting drier. What does that say about Kingston people? I joke. I love you all. From the bottom of my heart.
You're on a singing role today?
Singing melody.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Stuff from the Cups where we give you fire,
We're fun.
inspirational,
We're real.
and we're educational, and we're also 3 years old.
Whoa.
Woo!
Yeah. Big ups to all the tenants in the building who pay them rent, who know say them not squat, who know say them not bridge water and thief light.
Bridgewater and Keith Light.
A bridge,
Bridge
light and thief water. Yeah. And big ups to all our new subscribers.
We're so happy to have you. Welcome. We're almost at 60,000.
Yeah, for 3 years.
Yes.
It's been a long journey, but we are
has.
enjoying it. And in particular, since we did our
Dear Future
Dear
Wifey.
Future Wifey episode we did our episode on Dear Future Wifey podcast, which has seen over 200,000 views
Yes, that's amazing.
in a little over a month.
No, you don't reach a month yet,
Yeah.
babe.
Wow.
It's 2 weeks and something.
Wow.
It seems like a longer time,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it's just going on 3 weeks.
It has been, we've been a bit busy since then, you know, and we have so many other things doing that we've, fallen off a little again, but we are still here. We still love you guys. And when we go on the road and people see us and say, hey, I'm a tenant in the building and I don't tell when last I see you guys. Yeah, just go back and rewatch some of the exciting and informative content that we have. And of course, nothing is wrong with binge rewatching. We're coming with new stuff. And it's summer, as we made mention. And interestingly, May rains, we never had much May rains. But since June has begun, we've been having rain almost every day.
Holy rain.
Yeah, especially in Manchester. I don't know about Kingston and Portmore and Mobile, Parish de Hat, Senti.
So we're going into Kingston and
The
there's
sun is
no
coming
rain.
out, right? It's overcast, but the sun is coming out. But we do believe that we take the rain with us. So it's gonna be a cool day. We have some errands to run in Kingston, and we're just taking you along with us for a little. Catching up with you guys. How you doing? How you been? Really? That's what's been happening with you? You're pregnant? Congratulations. You finished school? Congratulations on your graduation. And it's graduation season, and we are
Yes.
looking forward to doing our graduation hosting and our MCing and our guest speaker engagements. And And if you want to book us, you don't book us, you know what to do. You know where to find us.
Yeah.
And
You can email us at stuffromthecuffs@gmail.com. That's SUFFIROMTHECUFFS@gmail.com.
And for those who are on Instagram, you can follow us on Instagram or reach out to us on Instagram. This is the only time we allow you to slide in the DMs.
So you can find me at Basilia B. Cuff and the Brian M. Cuff. That sounds good.
Yeah, new change.
He
yeah?
changed his handle, guys, from Valiant Cufflinks to Brian M. Cuff, and I love it.
You gotta do something more
He
professional, you know.
Yeah, he changed it at the beginning of June, the first day of June. He said he would have. Yeah, he said he would have, and he has. So if you're trying to find him on Instagram, you're not gonna find him as Valiant Cufflinks anymore.
But I'm still valiant, you know. I'm a mighty man of valor. But I'm just doing things a little different, and it's the month where we celebrate fathers. It's a month where we have Men's Health Month as well.
Men's mental health.
Not just mental,
Oh, just
everything
health.
relating to men. You know, and we look forward to putting out some content that relates to that. I look forward to putting out some man-inspired content, you know, getting our men thinking differently and taking care of their health. As a matter of fact, I've started eating healthier. You know, the other day I bought a bag of papaya, a bag of Jamaican say papa, a bag of
A
pine,
bag of papaya and gave it to me.
and
He
a
didn't
bag of
eat
pine,
any.
and a bag of
So I'm buying it, you know, but he's not eating
watermelon. I ate the watermelon and I ate the pine. Only did one day from the month start, but it's a
it. No,
start.
babe, but
It's a start.
I've been blending
Yes,
more. Green juice, fruit juice, smoothies,
Yeah.
especially to try and get it
Right.
into the diet of the girls with the
Healthier
fruits.
alternatives.
But the girls, they love mangoes and they love Otaiti apple. Those are the two fruits that they will eat without hesitation. And grapes sometimes. So it's hard to
Inside.
if they're just and strawberry. I cannot afford it. But it's easier when these things are in season because they readily eat it. Like the Otaiti apple, it don't last long. Especially with Bria. Bria love Otaiti apple. And when it's pear season, Bria loves pear. Bella is just like she don't want anything. So working on that through the smoothie with her. And sometimes when I'm blending the smoothie, even if it's a fruit smoothie, I will sneak in some kale or sneak in some spinach and mask it with the fruits and honey. So that's an approach I take. So it's been working a little. Yeah.
And for those who have been asking, you know, those who are following me on IG and made a post recently about mommy not being well, she's on the up and up, yeah, slowly but surely. I'll give God thanks that she's still here. Morning, Chief. Oh, one of the things I wanted to start talking about, it's summer, and summer brings different things that you want to do, what you want to accomplish in summer. And we have different things coming up. I will be hosting the JN Circle Life class come 3 episodes in June. So starting next week, which is in the teens, till the end of June, I'll be hosting 3 episodes. Big ups to JN. Yeah.
We love you, JN. Yeah, we are always
a part of it. We have had a relationship and a partnership with them.
So I do content creation for them.
Yeah.
We've appeared on
Several of the episodes.
right, and Brian will be hosting now. So it's a very
It's an
lovely
ongoing
relationship.
right? And you know, it's huge shoes to follow or to fill because our friend Kamala McQueen is the resident host, and you know, I'll be doing those 3 episodes. You have Gospel Stars coming up.
Right, Gospel Star is coming up in July. That's the JCDC Gospel Star. It used to be the Jamaica Gospel Festival Competition or Jamaica Gospel Competition. It's now Jamaica Gospel Star, so that's happening in July into August. So you can look forward to that as well.
And I'm looking to enjoy the World Champs. Let's leave it there. The World Champs begins in August. So I'm looking forward to enjoying the World Champs and watching Jamaica take on the rest of the world.
I'm looking forward to creating content during that time. Last year, World Champs was great for content creation.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that this year.
Some overseas trip,
Yeah.
some relaxing, some, you know, enjoying a
Yes,
little vacation.
summer is coming up, and we really
Wedding
want.
vibes.
Yeah, we really want to. It's going to be a busy summer for us, but as always, we do our best to ensure that the girls enjoy summer as well. I mean, honestly, it doesn't take much to make them happy, but we want to, you know, just ensure that we try and balance the scale. So, yeah, we'll be doing some planning for them to ensure that they enjoy their summer as well.
Yep, so
Rhea wants to go to hotel.
we are neighbors, she wants to go to hotel.
Rhea has been going to hotel since she was 3 months old. Not that she remembers it, but you can't tell her that. And she wants to go to hotel. She wants to go to Cayman. I asked her if she wanted to go to New York. She said she'd just go to New York, so she don't need to go back yet. She wants to go to Cayman. The last time she went to Cayman, she was 3, so I don't think she remembers much. So we'll see how Daddy works on that financially. Right?
Daddy Jesus.
Yeah, but we want to make their holiday a fun and enjoyable one, and we don't want to spend the entire summer working either. It's important to work because you need to make money to sustain the lifestyle of eating strawberries and going to hotel and going to F.I.R.E, like the children request. But it still can't all be about working, so we're going to balance the scale, eh?
Yeah, and what are some of the things you're looking forward to in summer? Movies. We recently went to the theater. It's been a while.
Mm-hmm.
Been a while, and we took the girls to watch The Little Mermaid. What did you feel about that?
Well, 10 minutes into the movie, Bella was over it.
And then 15 minutes into the movie, I was in the lobby area seeking to get
popcorn and
hot
stuff,
dog,
because
and-
Bella was adamant.
So
Where
I
are they with the popcorn? Why are they not bringing the
a
popcorn?
lot of it. When I went back in, intermission was on, so I missed that. Missed about half of the show, and then the intermission, and then the lines were crazy. But it was a good show. It was a good show.
It was.
You know, it made a difference seeing representation of our people.
Yeah.
And the vibe is different.
Yeah, the vibe is much different. It's
culturally
much
relevant.
Right.
Like it's a Caribbean feel, like it's a, you know, dancing vibe.
And it was hilarious.
Yeah. Sebastian is a trip.
Yeah, it was. I would love to know who plays Sebastian.
Yeah. Of course,
It
you
was
know,
good.
a lot of Jamaicans would have preferred if it was a Jamaican.
An actual Jamaican. For us to actually sound. I mean, Sebastian whoever did it, did a fairly good job of trying to
But
sound
we want
Jamaican.
hear we yardy them
Yeah.
in the thing.
And not for we there can do it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
it is what it is, though.
But it was a great movie.
Yeah.
It was a great movie.
Other movies that are out there that I would recommend: Spider-Man. New Spider-Man is out.
We haven't watched it
Don't
yet.
watch it yet.
When last?
Fast X.
Oh.
Definitely gonna watch.
I was gonna say, didn't we watch the last Spider-Man? But it
Yeah,
was
it's a new
Batman
one.
that we
No, it
watched.
was the last Spider-Man. A new one came out recently, and the next new one.
No, man. When we went for the viewing, it was Batman.
That was Batman, but we didn't watch a new Spider-Man.
Yeah, man, I remember.
What else?
What's on tea? That's so random.
Other
Bella would say that's such a random word.
that are out there. You know, go watch what works for you. Spend some time, have fun. The theater, is not what I remember. I could pay for 2 for 1 for half the money that I pay for 1 ticket these days. But
That was pre-COVID, babe.
yeah,
We haven't been to movies. Oh, we went to movies during COVID. It was, yeah. But we never paid, so we didn't know how much it cost.
So,
But yeah, it was good. It was good. We enjoyed ourselves.
So the theater, the beach,
Yeah, the
river,
girls want to go to the beach.
just regular summer things, you know.
Summertime in
Summer
the
stuff, baby
Kingston.
stuff from the Cubs.
Summertime in the
Summer
Port.
stuff. The summer stuff with stuff.
Summertime in the country.
The summer stuff. Our song.
Yeah, so let us know, guys, what you plan to do for the summer, and we'll be taking you along for the journey tonight.
Yeah, so it's hashtag summer stuff from the Cuffs.
Okay.
Yeah. So watch out for it. guys,
Huh?
may I drive and I see one sweet girl.
Turn left
On the
onto
road.
Tom Red Cam Road.
Yeah, my wife look good, but that girl is sweet. For sure, if I go show her too. Hold on. I mean, men can appreciate other women. Appreciate, it's not lusting and disrespecting, eh? So,
Hello?
show me show her.
Morning. What? You have anything like it?
So we said we are got Krispy Kreme. Go check out the craze. Go check out the craze. See what it's all about. We had it when we went overseas. But if you see the traffic from here, so I don't know if you can see it. Alright, so it's right over there. And there's a line outside of vehicles trying to go in at 12:22 on a Thursday afternoon. Like we have to go wait a month more before we try the Jamaican one. You good? You ready to go for the Krispy Kreme?
Going over the Krispy Kreme, Kripsy.
Krispy Kreme, we want to come, but we cannot come at this time because of this traffic and the line. No, sir.
Not happening.
Watch a drive through. Watch line. Alright, next time. Cufflinks fam, so we are on our way back home. And yeah, the rain came with us for a little while. Stopped and get some food. Show them the food. Show them the food. Show them the food. Can't see.
Sorry, curry goat pasta and salmon.
Yeah, so we went to Delhi. I remember the place of Delhi Foods, something like that. Right beside Cafe Blue.
What's so great?
That's Sovereign. And it's the first time we've been there, so let's see what it's like.
Taste. I carried that in there.
My mouth is watering just the smell of the food. So looking forward to enjoying that. I'm gonna pick up the girls. The weather condition is worsening back in Manchester, so they've asked us to come get the girls. So we're gonna make hay while the sun not shining now, so we're gonna make haste and get them.
Mm-hmm.
And we have some interesting stuff lined up for you. There's some topics that I want us to discuss and talk about. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's it for our town trip. We're out. She gonna feed me while I drive.
No, go and feed me.
Yourself. Yeah, let me show you the rain, how the sky look. That's dark. Fill me up, boss. I lift it up, boss.
Excuse me, really full.
Come and quench the thirsting of my gut.
Yeah.
Feed me till I want no more.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs.